Silver against US dollar this week has dropped in value, first of all for the 3 days, and then the continue of the bulls momentum has continued to rise in value. We can see that the previous week has closed with this bullish candle. It is a bullish breakout where I have mentioned in the previous week analysis I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value because of this bullish breakout, but we can see the price has first tested the previous resistance, now acting as a support, and from here, from this support, the price continued to rise in value. Thursday, it was the day of the bullish breakout above this area of resistance. We can see that where the price continued to rise in value and reaching the next 39.68. Weekly time frame shows us a continuation of this bullish momentum of the bullish breakout from the previous week. We can see that here the price continues to rise in value. Just a minute, I need to switch this one to 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is it. And we can see that the monthly time frame, which is closed right now, it has made a bullish breakout above 37.39. This all suggests further rise in value for the silver against US dollar, so I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value. And we can see that the next resistance level is 39.68, where the price is currently reached, and 41.65 is also the next as a monthly resistance level. Weekly time frame shows me that we are currently at this area of resistance, targeting the next area of resistance here. Above that, we will see how the price behaves around this area of resistance on a Monday. So for now, I'm still open to see the price reaching high price levels, but I will be cautious and waiting for the price to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. Will the price make a bullish breakout, continue to rise in value, or it will retrace slightly back down around this area of support, which is around here 39, and then from here continue to rise in value. It's very important to see how the price opens on a Monday. Is there any gap or without the gap, and also how the Monday will open, how the market will react on a Monday. Usually that is also the direction for the rest of the week. If there is any bullish or bearish breakout happening on the market on the daily, on the 4-hour time frame or the 1-hour time frame, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders, so feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders to receive these updates during the week. For now, that's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.